Hello, friends! Let's learn some common school words in English together. School, school, pencil, pencil, pen, pen, notebook, notebook, eraser, eraser, clips, clips, ruler, ruler, glue, glue, scissors, scissors, book, book, crayons, crayons, marker, marker, desk, desk, chair, chair, backpack, backpack, lunchbox, lunchbox, calculator, calculator, stapler, stapler, whiteboard, whiteboard, globe, globe, computer, computer, microscope, microscope, paint, paint, brush, brush, canteen, canteen, classroom, classroom, teacher, teacher, student, student, school bus, school bus, school uniform, school uniform. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more educational videos.